What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So let's take a look at this. Our question of the day is, can Shiba Inu coin reach that 0.001 level soon? Now, before we jump right into that, I want to show y'all something that you should be paying attention to and be excited about. I know a lot of y'all probably put in more than you were willing to risk losing. Y'all were probably trying to bet big on the Bitcoin halving. Things didn't shoot up as fast as you wanted it to, and now some of y'all looking a little nervous. It's okay though. Take a look at this, y'all. If we go off of history, the last Bitcoin halving, we know prices rose leading up to the halving event and retraced after the halving event and eventually consolidated. We kind of see that taking place right now, but something that is really good to look at, knowing where we are in the space, in the adoption of crypto, and also being past the Bitcoin halving and sitting nicely at a 60 on the fear and greed index, while Bitcoin is still holding 67,000. So what does that mean? You do not have to be afraid. Right now, you should be looking to buy more. Why? Because obviously, people are sitting on the sidelines and unsure or uncertain of what's about to happen next. Ask someone that you know that's in crypto and, see what their sentiment is, see how they feel about it. And, more than likely, if they're a newcomer in the space, someone who hasn't had a lot of experience, they're going to say they're nervous about things right now. They're not sure if things are going to continue to pull back, if it's going to go up. And, none of us really know for certain. But this is the thing. If you believe in crypto, you believe in long term what crypto, can provide for the entire world, then you should believe that it's only going up. Now, obviously, it's going to fluctuate, have those downs, those ups. But over a nice period of time, we expect it to continue to go up. So when the market is fearful, it's when it's time to be greedy. So right now we are sitting at a 60. We drop even lower, we move into that neutral territory where basically, that's telling us people are just, they're not moving. They don't know what to do. They don't know whether to buy. They don't know whether to sell. But smart money like you will continue to dollar cost average. And when things break out after this time period, once it's done being held back or, suppressed, and more money flows into the space, more retail money, you're going to be happy that you got a position, y'all. You got to let your money work for you. Plant that seed early before trying to plant it late. So now let's take a look at these overall prices. We got Bitcoin. Well, first off, we got the overall crypto market cap at $2.52 trillion, y'all. Take a look, down 0.75% in the last 24 hours. We got Bitcoin holding nicely at 67,686. We seen it go down about 67,000 earlier, down 1.34% on the day and down 1.5% for the week, but still holding nicely at 60% for the year. Look at some people, they don't check their investment portfolios, especially during times like this. They might step back for a month and, just check back in and see how things are performing, especially for those of you that get overly emotional. We got Ethereum at 3,770 right now, up 0.15% on the day, 0.46% in the green for the week, and up 65% for the year. We know as Ethereum continues to heat up, we just seen Ethereum ETFs get passed. Now we know, people are petitioning for Shiba Inu ETFs. That might bring even more light to the meme coin space. And if we see that take place, God candle for Shiba Inu, y'all. BNB 594. 0.1% in the green, down 1.25% on the week, up 90% on the year. So out of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, out of those top four assets, BNB is the top one right now. Shout out to my high rollers, Vid community, man. Make sure y'all check the links in the description section. We got a lot of exciting things coming for not only the SHIBARmy, but the Vegas Inu token community as well. We're looking to do something different here in Las Vegas and actually create a home base where crypto and especially meme coins have a home, somewhere they can, facilitate things, fellowship, do different, ideas that community members, teams, etc. may have. We're going to have a place where you can do that, y'all. So stay tuned for that. Solana, 166.79, down 0.4% in the red, 1.69 in the red for the week. And it's still up 64% on the year. We got XRP at 51 cents. Doge at 15 cents, Timecoin at $6.28. We got SHIB at 4 zeros 25 right now. So let's look at what market cap we're sitting at, which is 14.8 billion, and SHIB is up 143% for the year. Now Timecoin is doing 172% for the year, so that was a nice one that we did call out on the channel. So that's definitely why you want to be subscribed and have on notifications. I've been getting a lot of new subscribers to the channel, and I want y'all to remember that when you see these Shiba Inu videos, we also mention some of the other projects or tokens, cryptocurrencies that you should be keeping an eye on as well, or at least learning about. So let's jump back over here to this article. So Shiba Inu, can the coin reach that 3 zeros 1 level soon? Okay, so let's see. Over the course of 2024 thus far, the Shiba Inu coin has been one of the most dominant meme coins of the crypto market. Following the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs and key updates to ShibArmy, SHIB went on a tear on the markets, only just recently slowing down its surge and returning to earth. That's one thing you got to remember. A lot of people get impatient and forget that things go into profit. Sometimes they pull back a little bit. That's just a part of the process. So despite a slight dip in the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu remains up 4% in the last 7 days and up nearly 12% since the start of May. Its market cap has also climbed in the past month, currently sitting at nearly 15 billion, with hype reaching near all-time highs around the dog-themed currency. Price predictions are bullish for SHIB. One thing y'all gotta also remember is once the social media, craze kicks back up and we start to get everybody talking about SHIB on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all these apps start, speaking on SHIB again, it's going to go crazy. Y'all are going to be, right now, if you're into Shiba Inu, you're eventually going to be one of the OGs or one of those people with a story on how you had a time in SHIB before things, went absolutely crazy. This little breakout that we seen, that was just an appetizer to what I truly believe is going to come. I think Shiba Inu will break all-time high prices this cycle, y'all. So analysts are pointing out a positive triangle on the recent SHIB charts, indicating a continued rise in price. SHIB's price is currently in an ascending triangle and almost at an end, meaning that it's getting to that point. It's an ascending triangle where it's forming like basically a triangle pattern, but it's pointing upwards. So it's basically like one of these ones right here. It's kind of flat at the top, but it's trending upwards at the bottom, meaning that the resistance is having a hard time breaking through the resistance on that upper resistance point, but it's coming to the end of where it's about to break through at the end of that trend that's moving to the upside. So that's a positive or a bullish signal that we like to look at, those ascending triangles. So at press time, Shiba Inu is trading at that 402539 level. The coin is well above average on the simple moving average chart, indicating bullish signals. So that tells us when people, technical traders, look at the chart, they see Shiba Inu's price trading above that SMA line. It tells them that, hey, right now it's in bullish territory, or right now the asset is bullish and it's likely to continue. Even if it pulls back and dips for a little moment, it's likely to continue on this bullish trajectory. So cohesive climbs in trading volume and price are typically the best indicator for an upcoming bull run. But despite the trading volume drop, investors are largely still bullish on SHIB cryptocurrency. Coinbase Futures recently announced support for SHIB perpetual futures, with trading beginning on May 30th, 2024. Furthermore, shibArmy expects more updates in the coming weeks, including a potential airdrop, which will bring up the hype. Therefore, the Shiba Inu coin reaching as a high of 301 in the near future is certainly possible. Look, I've been telling y'all this is going to happen. This is what happened, when we first got into Shiba Inu. We did our due diligence. We studied the market. We understood, TA. We understood fundamental analysis. And with our prediction, because it's not a concrete theory, we only are basically making an educated guess based on the information that we have available. And that told us that Shiba Inu had a lot of potential, y'all. And with everything that we still have available right now, it tells us that Shiba Inu still has a lot of potential, and it hasn't even had its second breakout. I think there are two major breakouts to come before we see, you know, SHIB go to that all-time high. So I think we see another nice breakout, maybe to that 50, you know, 405 level, you know, 6 level, somewhere in that range. I got to look at the charts again. But I think we see a breakout to that level, whichever level that may be. And then we go beyond that area right there. So that's what I'm expecting, y'all. I'm excited. Make sure y'all are buckled up. We got Shiba Inu Fest coming soon. Not set on the name right now. Give me some names in the comment section. I've been looking at some of the other names that y'all recommended in the last video, but we need some more names. We're doing an event this year, 2024. Members from the shibArmy, community members. So this is not you know, thing, you know, built from the volunteer SHIB team. This is community led. I got other SHIB influencers that want to take part of this, other crypto projects that want to be a part of this. So, you know, if you yourself want to come out and support fellowship with the community, then make sure you come do so. Also drop those names in the comment section. Spread the word. Let other projects know what we're looking to do. And also, if they plan on being a part of it, email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. We will have more information available soon. Appreciate everybody for pulling up, and we are out.